All right, happy Monday, first graders. Hello, it's me, Mrs. McClure. I hope that you had a fabulous weekend. I cannot wait to hear about what you did. Today, we are going to learn about the ah sound. So this is a sound that we learned last year in kindergarten, but we are going to review this sound, and we're also going to review looking at words that have this sound in the middle. Okay? So we are going to review the ah sound. Okay, so I'm going to say some words, and I'm also going to show them on the screen, and I want you to repeat for. So our word is off, electric, octagon. The ah sound. The are open, and I've told you that are open that are open their voice sound. Remember from so this short O. See this card going to say the near word and the sound octopus. It was like this. We say O R O. So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so this is from your handwriting book, and this is page 50 and 51 if you want to use your handwriting book, but we're just going to practice writing the letter O. We know how to write the letter O, but just to make sure, we're going to practice it anyway. So we start here. Do you see where the dot is on my O? We start in the dot and we circle around to the left. Do you think you can write the letter O? We start in the dot and then we circle around to the left. And now I'm going to start here in this middle line, circle around to the left. And I'm using my seesaw, so I'm using the computer, but you will be using your handwriting books. Circle around, circle left. Right, we start in the middle line right here on this paper, and we circle left. That means we're going to the left, which is that direction. Circle left, and if you forget how the direction, it tells you right here, circle left. So start in center and circle left. Can you write the letter O? Yes, and then also down here, we can trace words that have the O in it. And so this is a picture of Disney World, right? And Disney World is located in a city called Orlando. So this is the word Orlando. Okay, and then we got October, and this is the name of the state, Ohio. So you're going to practice tracing and writing the words Orlando, October, Ohio, and then the sentence down here says oil and water don't mix. So that's what you're going to do for your handwriting assignment for the letter O. Good. Okay, so now we are going to work on listening for words with the short ah sound in the middle. So I want you to listen to the words that I say, and let's see if we hear the ah sound in the middle of the words. Just like we did with the letter I last week, we're doing that with the letter O. Okay? So I wonder if you can read my words here before I show you the picture. So let's read it. Ot. Pot. Do you hear the short ah sound in the middle of the word pot? Yeah, I hear that. If you notice, yeah, I hear that. I put a picture of pot. It's not bed, but they call it a cotton ot in the middle. Pot. Cot. Yeah, they sure. And you can also see it's written down. Assignment. We're going to do some of it together right now. All right, so we are going to sort the sounds to feed the chameleon.
That have the same middle sound as not into the box under the picture of the.
So we are going to sort these pictures by if they have the ah sound. So if it has the ah sound in the middle of the word, then we're going to put it underneath the not. If it does not have it, we're going to put it underneath the one that has the line going through it. Okay? So I want you to point to the picture on your screen, you're going to point to where you think the pictures are going to go. So let's look at the first one.
Sock.
Sock. Does sock have ah in the middle? Point to the category where you think sock is going to go. If you said under the word not, then you are correct. I hear the ah
Sock.
sound in the middle of the word sock. Let's look at another one.
Hot.
Hot. Point to the category where you think hot is going to go. Yeah. If you said underneath the not, then you're correct.
Hot.
You are right. The hot and not both have ah in the middle.
Bell.
Bell. Point to the category where you think bell will go. If you said underneath this one right here with the line going through the picture of the not, then you are correct because bell does not have ah in the middle. It has the eh sound. Good.
Bell.
What about this one?
Box.
Box. Which category do you think box is going to fit under? Words that have the short ah in the middle, or words that do not have the short ah in the middle?
Box.
Box. Yes. Good job. It goes right underneath the not. Excellent.
Box.
Let's look at another one.
Pot.
Pot. Point to the category where you think pot is going to go. That's right. If you said underneath the not, then you are correct because I hear the ah, the short ah sound
Pot.
in the middle of the word pot. Let's try another one.
Train.
Train. Train. Do you hear the ah sound in the middle of the word train?
Train.
Point to the category where you think train will go. That's right. It goes right underneath the category with the line going through the picture because train does not have the ah sound in the middle. It has the a sound. Very good.
Train. Pup.
Pup. Where do you think pup is going to go? Point to the category where you think pup is going to go.
Pup.
That's right. It's not going to go underneath the not, but it is going to go underneath the one with the line through it. Why?
Pup.
Yeah, because the word pup does not have ah in the middle. It has the short sound in the middle. So for your assignment is you are going to log into your Pearson, which I showed you how to do that last week. And when you go inside of your Google Classroom, you're going to pick on the Pearson with the bridge, and you're going to find the assignment that says the short O sound. And you are going to sort these pictures by if they have the ah in the middle, and if they do, or if they don't have the ah in the middle, and you're going to submit it to me. All right. So we have our words pot, hot, caught, not, and we just sorted our pictures. Now remember, the short sound for the letter O is what? It is ah. And when we say the ah sound, our mouths are open and we feel the vibration in our throat. And we call that a voiced sound. All vowel sounds are open and they're voiced. Great job. Also, we did go over some words that have the short ah sound in the middle, and we're going to be looking at more words that have that in the middle because our spelling words, we're going to start doing spelling words this week. So our spelling words are all words that have the short ah sound in the middle. And so we're going to be working on those together when we meet today. Okay? All right, well, I hope that you guys have a great day and you did a fabulous job today.